Tonight, 6 Investigates follows up on the latest out of the Texas Windstorm Insurance Association. A new study is suggesting that residents aren't paying enough for their windstorm policy. In fact, the study says that they're paying way too little. Chief Investigative Reporter Rick Spruill has the very latest.
TWIA is one of the more complicated topics we take on here at 6 Investigates, and this time it's no different. But the bottom line is that once again, it's all about your wallet. TWIA received about 76,000 claims worth an estimated $1.6 billion in Harvey-related damages. And now officials warn lawmakers the association is once again cash-strapped.
The bottom line is that TWIA has spent all of its savings, will be repaying debt for years to come, and faces a shrinking revenue pool.
It's not new hearing that TWIA has a funding problem. The big question is how to solve it. A recent study by the Texas Sunset Advisory Commission says one way could be through raising policy premiums. That's because, according to the study, TWIA's actuaries estimate that premiums need to increase by 32% for residential properties and by 37% for commercial properties. Now, it's a wildly unpopular idea, raising premiums, much less by 30+%, and yet the alternative isn't very attractive either. Here's why.
On the other hand, keeping premiums as they are means financing future claims with debt. This debt is expensive for the policyholders who have to repay it and places TWIA at risk of a debt spiral.
So either raise premiums or raise debt to pay claims. It's the question nagging TWIA and lawmakers alike. And it's why studies like these are so critical in setting the policy that dictates how TWIA operates.
As a continuously improving organization, we are absolutely willing and have enjoyed working with Sunset to identify those opportunities and work with them as we go through the legislative process.
We'll keep an eye out and let you know of any proposed legislation this session that might affect how much you pay for your TWIA policy. Rick Spruill, 6 Investigates.